Hello, I'm Rose from AIX. We are so happy to introduce this job, which is for AIX, the first supply and install in Brisbane. So behind the building, we got the 12 storage, but only got 28 exclusive unit, got 2 penthouse up the top. Every average apartment, they're going to sell like about 4.5 million. That's we are brilliant to introduce, and we are brilliant to done this joinery and the stuff.
It's our first job supply and install in Melbourne. Let's check out the quality of the joinery.
Let's walk in the ground floor unit. Now on the market, it's pricing at 4.5 million Australian dollar. It features stunning super white granite from Brazil, or true statement of the glancing. We do the book match. So all the drawer, we use the metal box. So we keep the inside kernel, so we keep the whole color is integrate one piece. So everything is soft closing, obviously, and we have the handle shelving. For the high box, we use the high slim box. And so about the whole kitchen, we use the laminate, which is the best match for the architect color. And let's check out the box inside. So the box, we use the same color of the door. It's exceptional for the project. We gotta be make the premium quality. And let's check out the range hood. This one is a stone super wide integrate like the whole sections. So this stone, the back loop and also the back support is for their leg. So the stone leg here, you can see the curved radial, and then the seamless joint of every van, and especially we follow the whole stone van that is make this stone exceptional, and it's a fashion, the beautiful look for that is the stone made. So let's check out the wardrobe here. The wardrobe, it would be the full integrate. We just lift the 10 mil and 10 mil for the top, the ceiling, and where would be the exceptional filler. Here it just keep the 20 mil for that. And for the wardrobe, we have the built-in lighting for the job. So we provide the lighting the whole job. That's the typical bedroom room vanity.